Good day, everyone. Hi, I'm Edgar Kalau, and today I'm reviewing a research paper entitled Application of Fusion Logic in Transport Planning by Amrita Sarkar, G. Sahu, and UC Sahu. About the author, Amrita Sarkar is graduate engineer in information technology with a post-graduation in remote sensing. She is presently a PhD research fellow at the Department of Information Technology, Mesra, India. She has got few research publication and her area of specialization. Her areas of interest include soft computing, artificial intelligence, data mining, DBMS, and image processing. Another author, Dr. G. Saho. Dr. G. Saho received his MEC in mathematics from Utkal University in the year 1980. He has been associated with Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, Ranchi, India since 1988, and currently he is working as professor and head in the Department of Information Technology. His research interests includes theoretical computer science, parallel and distributed computing, evolutionary computing, information security, image processing, and pattern recognition. Another author, UC Sahu. Dr. UC Sahu is working as assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology. He has more than 8 years of teaching and research experience. Presently, he is engaged in research in the area of transportation planning, road safety, and pavement engineering, and published many papers in this area. A short introduction. Fusion logic is an approach to decision making that involves more than just simple yes or no values. Instead, it utilizes a fusion set and a computer process that can understand natural language. The system operates on the principle of assigning individual output based on the probability of an input state. Fusion logic is shown to be a very promising mathematical approach for modeling traffic and transportation processes characterized by subjectivity, ambiguity, uncertainty, and imprecision. The basic premises of fusion logic system are presented, as well as detailed analysis of fusion logic system developed to solve various traffic and transportation planning problems. Emphasis is put on the importance of fusion logic system as universal approximator in solving traffic and transportation problem. This paper presents an analysis of the result achieved using fusion logic to model complex traffic and transportation processes. The basic goals, objectives of fusion logic system are presented, as well as detailed analysis of fusion logic system developed to solve various traffic and transportation planning problems. The importance of fusion logic system are universal approximator in solving traffic and transportation problems. The analysis of the result achieved using fusion logic to model complex traffic and transportation processes. In fusion logic applied to transport planning, participants include various people and groups involved in making decisions about transportation system. This includes transportation planners who design and manage transport networks, traffic engineers who control traffic flow, and urban planners who consider transportation in the city development. Policymakers also play a role in shaping transportation policies, while researchers, academics contribute knowledge to improve planning methods. Technology providers develop tools and systems for transportation planning, and community stakeholders, such as residents and businesses, provide input on transportation decisions. By working together, these participants help ensure that fusion logic techniques are effectively applied to address transportation challenges and improve mobility for everyone. There were no relevant questions in the field, but somehow the question arising from the study would be: what are the emerging trends and future directions in the applications of fusion logic in transport planning, and how can they be leveraged to address evolving transportation challenges? Emerging trends in fusion logic transport planning include integrating with the advanced technology like artificial intelligence and big data analytics to create more precise models. These models can predict traffic patterns, optimize routes, and manage congestion effectively. Additional, there is a growing focus on sustainability and multimodal transport, where fusion logic helps integrate different modes seamlessly while prioritizing environmental concern. The rise of the smart city also drives the adoption of fusion logic-based intelligent transport system, improving efficiency and enhancing the overall mobility experience. These trends can help address evolving transportation challenges by providing more accurate and adaptive planning solutions. They gather data through various methods like trip generations, which defines or measures that how many people wants to go out for their homes and what their purpose are. Trip distribution, this method is used to determine the number of trips between pairs of zone when the number of trips generated attracted by a particular zone is known. Thus, the prediction of trip distribution involves the prediction of flows and a network regardless of possible transportation mode or travel route. The modal split data is gathered through survey and transportation demand modeling, revealing the percentage of travelers using different modes of transportation like cars, public transit, or bicycles. Road choice data, crucial for understanding preferred routes, is captured using maps, traffic cameras, and travel surveys. The traffic assignment data depicting the distribution of traffic volumes across the transportation area is gathered through traffic counts and simulation models. These data collection methods facilitate the development of fusion logic model for analyzing and optimizing transportation system efficiently. Databases are formed in the following. Once the data is collected, it undergoes pre-processing to ensure its quality, completeness, and compatibility for the fusion logic modeling. This may involve cleaning the data to remove errors, aggregating data from different sources, and standardizing data formats and units. Data may be transformed or encoded into linguistic variables to represent qualitative concepts such as traffic congestion levels or road condition. Dataset is then organized into a format suitable for physiologic modeling, typically consisting of input variables and output variables. Fusion logic techniques are applied to define membership functions, fusion rules, and inference mechanisms that capture the relationship between input and output variables in a linguistic and intuitive manner. So overall, forming a dataset for fusion logic in transport planning involves collecting, pre-processing, and organizing data to support the development of fusion logic models that can effectively analyze and optimize transport system. Findings from studies applying fusion logic in transport planning revealed its successful and effectiveness in addressing uncertainties and complexities within transportation system. Fusion logic-based model have shown promise in optimizing route selection, traffic signal control, mode choice modeling, and demand forecasting. They provide a flexible framework for decision making, accommodating subjective factors and vague information inherent in real world transportation data. Physiologic approaches have demonstrated improvements in system performance efficiently and resilience, contributing to more robust and adaptive transportation planning strategies. Some gaps identified in studies applying fusion logic to transportation planning include challenges in data availability and quality, difficulties in handling subjectivity and uncertainty inherent in fusion logic models, issue with the model complexity and interpretability, integration challenges with traditional approaches, concern about model performance evaluation and validation, scalability and computational efficiency, limitations and potential resistance to user acceptance and adoption. Addressing these gaps requires further research and development effort to improve data collection methods, enhance model validation techniques, and foster stakeholder confidence in the utility of using logic-based approaches in transport planning. Thank you for watching until the end in my paper review.